All right, so let's give it up for Ekoma. That's right, everybody give it up to Ekoma. All right, so thanks a lot, Ekoma, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day, right? So, you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So, Ekeoma, right? So, Eke means something, Eke is like something you made, or, I think this is kind of one of those words that could have like different meanings depending on the tonality and stuff, but Eke, for my interpretation of it, Eke means something that's created or something that's made, right? For example, like Ike. Ike, it means to create. So Eke is like something that you created or something that was made. And Oma means good, beautiful, wonderful, something that's wanted, right? And so you put the two of those together and you get Ekeoma. Ekeoma means like beautifully made or wonderfully made, or just something that looks nice. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful, nice. Yeah, basically like wonderfully made, magnificent. I guess another way to describe it is like gorgeous or flawless. You know what I'm saying? Ekeoma. So, Ekeoma's names give them the power to have great fashion sense, they're bubbly, and they're fun. Tag and share this video with all the Ekeomas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wa kwezo.
Yeah.
So, Ekeoma, what do you think about that name? Would you like a name like that for yourself? Or are you expecting a child or something and you are maybe having a naming ceremony and you would like to give them a traditional African name? Let me know in the comment section down below, or my Instagram is also linked in the comment section. You can click on that link and then DM me. If there is a name or a concept or an idea for a name that you would have in mind for yourself or for someone else, like a child, right? Just let me know what idea or concept that is, and I can give you the closest Igbo name to the meaning of that idea that you have, right? In my culture, we believe that every time you speak someone's name, every time you call their name, right, you're speaking and invoking the power of that name into existence. So if there's anything you would like to manifest into your own life or into your child's life, or anything you want to speak into their life, that name is kind of like a built-in way of doing it, right? So let me know, and that's a great thing to take advantage of. Obviously, you still have to go out here and self-improve and be a great person, but it's kind of the way that our culture blesses each other and, just kind of keeps our essence and everything like that, and keeps us progressing as a people together just by our names. You get what I'm saying? So I can give you that name on my segment called the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And if you are Igbo, if you already have an Igbo name, I can feature and talk about your name on this segment here, the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button. Every like and comment goes a really long way. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Share this message with more people who might be interested in it. You know what I'm saying? So if you liked it, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, just tap it really lightly instead, right? So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It might be the video that I make for you. Share this video with a friend. And yeah, feel free to let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what everyone has to say. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.